Hey, what's up, guys? It's time to get our Lone Star Grill experiment going. We got our charcoal basket filled to the brim with Kingsford briquettes, and it took roughly 2 bags to fill this whole basket up. I also have 2 little fire starters down in the basket. We're going to light them up and get this thing going and try to maintain the temperature roughly, I don't know, maybe 225, closer to 250. And see how long it lasts. You guys stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing started up and we're gonna fire it up Texas style. Forgot to mention that I started this roughly around 1 o'clock. So put the basket in. The coals are going, the charcoal briquettes are going, I should say, and they're still pushing some of that blue smoke out. I got the vent down at the bottom wide open. As soon as that blue smoke starts going away and it gets up to, I want to say maybe 250, then I'm going to choke it down a little bit and try to control the temperature and keep it roughly around 250 degrees. See how long it lasts, guys. Okay, this is an experiment. We're going to find out. So the blue smoke is just about all gone. You know, that's kind of like what you want right there. Nice, clear, very thin, tight smoke coming out. And my Thermal Pro says that we're getting up to 233 degrees. And the Tell True is close to 225. So we're gonna take a little peek inside, show you what the fire looks like in regards to the charcoal basket. Watch this. Gotta open this slow because it's hot. Woo. That's what she looks like, guys. So it should weave around all the way through the charcoal basket. Let me close it back up, that way it don't get too burned up. All right, and I'm going to choke it down a little bit. About halfway now, and don't want it to get above 250 degrees. And Thermal Pro says it's 236. Tell True says it's 225. So we're getting close. Once I get to 250, I want to choke it down even more. Okay, you guys stay tuned. And it's roughly 2 o'clock. It's been going for about an hour now. So our Tell True says that it's already at 250, and our digital thermometer says it's already reached 275. So we're gonna go ahead and close the vent and just leave it maybe like a 1/4 of an inch gap. Slow that air down and try to get these temperatures stabilized. That way it doesn't get out of control and get away from us. So right now we're rocking dead on 250. So hopefully now that I closed it, it'll slow it down. Okay, let's stay tuned and see how this experiment goes. So right now it's 217. We'll see how many hours we can get out of this charcoal basket. Well, got the Lone Star Grill, you know, settled in. The Tell True is holding at 250, and I got the, I guess you call it the dampener over on the firebox, just barely cracked, just maybe a 1/4 of an inch or maybe even less. And as you can see, I'm getting hardly no smoke at all. You know, just very clear. You know, you got to really look at it close, you know, to see something. But anyway, we're roughly maybe 2 hours into it already, and it's holding good so far. We'll see how long it lasts. I'll give you guys another update in just a little bit. Hey guys, it's 5:30 and this Lone Star Grill is still rocking a good 200 and it's close to 250. It's about 248 degrees, and I've opened it a couple of times, but it's 5:30 and it's still going, and I kind of peeked at it and it looks like the charcoal's about halfway through. So I gotta look at the other footage and see at what time I started it, but it looks like so far we're good for a good almost 5.5, 6 hours. So, but again, you know, at the end of the video I'm gonna double check and see what time I actually started this, but we're still putting out 250 degrees with this charcoal basket. Okay, you guys stay tuned. I'll give you another update in just a little bit. It's about 7 o'clock. I'm shooting on my iPhone because the lighting is starting to get pretty bad. Well, you know, it's dark, but I wanted to show you how much of this charcoal is still left in here with this basket in our Lone Star Grill. Check this out. I don't know if you guys can see it. There it is. But there's still quite a bit still burning in the back. So I'm gonna give it a good shaking. And without getting my phone burnt, I'm gonna give it a good shaking and try to get some of the ash off this charcoal and see how much longer it can go. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted. But so far it's been going, I probably want to say a good 8 hours. So I gave it a good shaking. Here's what our tell truth says. Our tell truth says that we still got between 200 and 225. You know, it's still heating up, and it's probably going to go up in just a second because I shook that basket really good, took that ash right off of it. But you know, besides that, it's still rocking and rolling, guys. You know, we'll see how long it goes. If 10 hours, maybe, you know, it's going on 8 hours right now, so maybe another. No, and I say 8, it's going to be 7. Yeah, it's going to be going on 8 hours. I got to look at the footage again, and at the end of the video, I'll double check, make sure what the exact time was that we started and what time it finally dropped below 200. But it's still rocking and rolling. Let's go look at the other digital thermometer. All right, well, this one says it's 235, so it's still kicking it above 225, which is good enough for smoking barbecue. So you guys stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted. We'll see how long this experiment lasts with this Lone Star Grillz charcoal basket, and you know, put it up on a video and be informational for everybody. Yep, sure enough, shook that ash off that charcoal in the charcoal basket, and the temperature started to go back up. My Thermal Pro here says I'm at 241, and it's slowly climbing back up. And 7:30. I'll keep you guys posted, see how long this charcoal lasts in the basket. It's about 8:30, guys, and my Thermal Pro says I'm reaching a temperature of 228. So we've been going quite a while. I'll go over there and see what the tell true says. Here we go. Tell true is roughly a little bit above 200 degrees. So Thermal Pro 228, here between 200 and 225. So, and it's 8:30. It's been going a while, guys. So I'm gonna shake this basket up a little bit, see if I can squeeze a little bit more juice out of it and see how far it pushes. All right, well, it's roughly 9 o'clock, and my Thermal Pro says that the temperature has dropped to 210. I shook the basket some a little bit and try to get that ash off of it and see if you know, I could, you know, get some more juice out of it, get some more heat out of it. But I don't think it's gonna go any further, guys. It's dropped down to 210. The Tell True has dropped below 200, and at this point it'll just be even, you know, a longer smoke if you had any food in it. But besides that, you know, we're going on 9 o'clock at night. It's been probably a good 9-10 hours. You know, I need to double check. You know, I'll let you guys know for sure once I start editing the video. But you know, it's been a long time. I cooked some ribs in it today, and I had a good time doing it. This was my experiment. Wanted to see how long this charcoal basket, you know, could hold up. But that's what we're looking at. We're looking at about till 9 o'clock at night, so it's probably good for 9-10 hours on this, 30 by 36 offset smoker of mine that I got from Lone Star Grillz. But besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys very much watching my channel. Do me a favor, if you get a chance, hit that subscribe button over there, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you like what I'm doing and you want to see upcoming videos, click that bell, and you'll get notifications every time I put a new video out. But besides that, I'm going to finish watching this from inside the house and call it a night. You guys take care and have a wonderful day.